Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay into photos or videos in VN Video Editor. So in here, I've already add a main video on VN to my VN, and I want to add overlay into this video. So to start, you can just click on this plus icon, the one with tap to add sticker or PIB. So click on that and choose video or photos. Here you can just select the overlay that you want. So for example, I'm going to just add this white overlay. Click on the overlay and I'm going to adjust the size so it covers all of my videos, and here find the blending option. Swipe this one, blend. Here I'm going to choose this darken. Don't forget to adjust the opacity to your liking. Click on the check icon and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.